Hello kids, today we will draw a cute UFO. So let's start. First draw the UFO upper part. Draw a curved line, like this. Then draw a big curve and connect it. Draw it like a half circle. Well done, now draw the UFO disc part. Draw a big curved line. Make it like a flat oval shape. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, now draw the lower part of UFO. Now draw a big curved line and make just its parallel. Well done, now draw another curved line, but make it small. Draw it in middle, like this. Now draw some small half circle. Small curved line, like this. Good job, look, we draw 3 half circle. The UFO is looking very great. Now draw some line on UFO. Draw some line and make small parts. Draw the line in same gap, and it will look very beautiful. Now let's draw antenna on UFO. First draw 2 small lines in parallel, like this. Well done, now draw a small circle, and it's done. Good job, now draw the other antenna also. Do the same thing. First draw the parallel line, then draw a circle. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw some circle on the square part also. Draw a small circle in each box. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, draw a cute face. First draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Well done, now draw the other eye also. Draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Good job, lastly draw a cute and happy smile, and it's done. We complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use sky blue color and color the half circle. Color the outline, then slowly and carefully fill the color. Color up and down. Up and down, and don't color the face. Color the outline of the eye and mouth, like this. If color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, now use pink color and color the small box. Now color the big box. Leave one box, then color the other box. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Don't color the small circle. Well done, now color the other box also. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color carefully, and don't make any mistake. Lastly, color the corner part, and it's done. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use purple color and color the other box. Do the same thing, and it will look very great. You can also use different colors and make it more cute. Use different colors and make your own creativity. Look, we match the color combination. Look, pink and purple color look very beautiful together. You can also use different colors combination if you want. Well done. Now use gray color and color the antenna pipe. Color only the pipe and it's done. Now color the lower curved line also. Color it carefully and don't make any mistake. Good job. Now use yellow color and color the middle part. Color carefully in the narrow part. Look how great it's looking. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now color the small circle also. Color only the circle part and don't make any mistake. Color all the 5 circle and it's done. Good job. Now use red color and color the antenna circle. Color the antenna circle like this. Now use red color and color the 3/2 circle. Color carefully and don't make any mistake. Look how colorful the UFO is looking. Lastly, use white color and make the drawing more shiny. Draw a small circle on the eyes like this. Well done. Now draw a circle on the other eye also. I'm making some curved line on the side like this. Look how cute it's looking. Wait, I forget to draw some lights. Use green color, then draw a line like this and fill the color. Good job. Now draw other line and fill the color. You can also use different color and make it more shiny. Well done. We complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. You know what? Aliens use UFO and fly in the space. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.